Most people spend Valentine's Day with someone they love. But this South Carolina highway patrol officer, he spent it chasing a black Yukon through the night. It all started when the trooper spotted a brand new Yukon with paper tags. The driver had no plans to talk. He hit the gas and disappeared around a bend. The trooper lost him, but a quick slowdown at an intersection brought them back together. The chase continued through a residential area, with the suspect trying to shake the officer off his tail. But luck ran out when he turned down a dead-end road. Our trooper quickly spun around and stayed hot on his trail.
I'm gonna box him in.
Despite the driver's front tire being damaged, he pushed on, kicking up a shower of sparks as he drove on pure metal. But there's no escaping a determined officer. They finally boxed him in and arrested him. While the suspect held something suspicious in his hand, we never learned his name or charges. All we know is he spent his Valentine's Day alone, in a jail cell.
Is there anybody else in the vehicle?
The scenario escalated rapidly when the suspect returned to the scene, prompting an urgent police response. Upon sighting the Jeep Cherokee, officers attempted to intervene. However, the driver, identified as William Burris, defied orders to stop, leading to a perilous high-speed chase through busy streets. The tension mounted as Burris maneuvered recklessly, endangering lives with every turn. The chase in a cloud of debris. Remarkably, no injuries were reported in the chaos. In the aftermath, a shocking discovery was made. 3 young children were found in the back seat of Burris's vehicle.
You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You're all right. You'll be all right. You'll be all right. You're okay, sweetie.
An officer observed a vehicle blatantly ignoring a traffic light and failing to signal. As the officer moved to initiate a traffic stop, the situation quickly escalated into a full-fledged pursuit as the driver momentarily hesitated, then accelerated away.
Virginia Ave and Harrison Road on a burgundy and colored Nissan Altima, Georgia 28, William Paul Zebra 355, WPZ 355. No, 1080. Rugby Avenue. coming up on Walker Avenue. On Mercer Avenue.
The chase weaved through the city streets, with the officer trailing the suspect from Harrison to Eubanks, then south on Bachelor, and
left-hand turn, Virginia Ave.
after weaving through Virginia Avenue and back onto I-85, the suspect narrowly dodged a second pit maneuver near the Cleveland Avenue exit.
Vehicles driving the wrong way in Interstate 85. Crossing over Talking Terrace, coming up on Norman Berry Drive. Taking 85 north. Contact patrol vehicle. And he's still rolling left on Cleveland Ave. Driver's side rear tire is failing him. He's out of control, almost hit a pedestrian, Springdale Road. Getting out of the vehicle, Springdale Road. Passengers out of the vehicle. I have other units behind me. Containing the passenger. I'm in right into the Springdale Road.
The pursuit reached its climax as the suspect exited onto Cleveland Avenue, turning west and then north onto Springdale Road southwest. With the vehicle now heavily damaged, the chase concluded at 2451 Springdale. The officer, with weapon drawn and commands clear, successfully apprehended the driver, marking an end to the tense and hazardous pursuit. Jõgeva County, one of 15 states in Estonia, is usually a quiet place with a population of just 28,000. But on May 1st, things took a wild turn when a drunk driver led local police on a high-speed chase. After a reckless joyride through the county, waiting officers had the perfect plan: spike strips. With one well-timed throw, the strips hit the car's tires, forcing it to pull over shortly after. His tires deflated like balloons, and the chase came to an end.